Today we're going to start with a little history lesson. History is always written by the winner, isn't it? And usually if you want to make change, you need some sort of revolution. HTP revolutionized the welding market once in the automotive collision repair industry when they changed a bunch of automotive shops over from oxyacetylene torch to MIG welders. When HTP was founded in 1981 by Jeff Noland, he brought a bunch of parts and components in from Europe, built his own welding machines here, and owned the collision repair market here, at least in the Chicagoland. Today, fast forward, HTP is setting out to another revolution to now own the commercial welding market too. May it be pipe welding, structural welding, the repair business, guys with welders on service trucks, or homeowner, hobbyist, weekend warriors in their garage, or people looking to get stuff off the ground. It started with the revolution. After that comes independence and freedom. This is the HTP Independence 210 AC/DC. This is the machine that will give you the independence to be your own boss, to start your own business, stop the 9-to-5 grind, and then ultimately experience some freedom. This is built in our factory in Italy. We equip it with mainly American-made accessories. This machine gives you the independence from Chinese vendors and Chinesium in your welding machines. So if you're serious about welding, don't look any further. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and watch our YouTube videos. Thank you very much. See you later.